Good morning. My name is Agnivesh. This is Atrey. We two are studying in Dr. Raju Davis. My class is 1B.
He's in LKG
B.
B. When is your class program?
Class program is on next day,
Next Saturday.
in Saturday.
Which is your costume?
White
White
skirt.
skirt.
White skirt.
No. Black
Black
or blue jeans or pants with white full sleeve shirt.
and a pin.
It's like your costume is like Michael Jackson.
And a pin.
What are the steps? You just
I don't
have
know.
a demo, please.
I don't know.
Like guitar playing, something like
I
that.
don't